Hello everyone, this is Renee from Sunflowers and Honey Pots, and I hope all of you are doing well during this corona craziness. I decided to take an opportunity during this downtime we all have at home and start posting more head wrap tutorial videos for you guys, give you guys some easy ways to tie the head wraps while you're at home. So if you have one handy, grab it and let's go. First of all, protect your hair, ladies. Protect your hair. What I'm wearing on my hair is just a basic little satin, I don't know if it's satin, something smooth, something soft, just a little head cap that I picked up for a couple of bucks at the beauty supply, because you always want to protect your hair with the cotton. You don't want to sleep on cotton, and you definitely don't want the cotton rubbing directly on your hair because it will break your hair off. So with that being said, let's proceed. And the head wrap I'm using today is the Orum. My head wraps are 70 inches long, 20 inches wide, so it definitely gives you a lot of fabric to play with. You're going to take your head wrap and you're going to fold it about 1/3 in, not quite halfway, maybe about 1/3 in. And then you're going to take this folded edge and put it at the base of your neck right there. I'm doing this without a mirror. Zoe's going to be my eyes, and hopefully I would get this right without having something to look at. I take the folded part, put it on the base of your neck, and you want to give yourself 2 even pieces of fabric to hold on to. I'm going to secure this once on my head and tie it down so it doesn't come flying off. So I'm going to tie it down once like that and adjust it to how tight you like. I like mine pretty tight. Leave this open part here. We're going to need that at the end. You're going to take your 2 ends and twist down to the end. And you're going to take this piece here and just push that back into that opening. Again, I don't have a mirror. Do I have it in, Zoe? It looks good. Adjust it to where it's comfortable. Make sure your cap is not showing, or whatever you've used underneath to that your hair is not showing. And that's it. There it is from the side. There it is from the side. Very simple. Again, the folded parts here, twist and tuck. That's it. You can do that in then 2 minutes or less. Any questions, drop them in the comments below or shoot me a DM. More videos to come. Thank you.